Hello, Wellness Crusaders. It is day 267 of 365 days of tips, tricks, and techniques designed to help us create and or maintain healthy habits. And for day number 267, I have an unboxing. And I bet you're saying, well, how is that a tip, trick, or technique? You have to reward yourself. You have to make sure that you believe that you are worth it. So here we go. Hello everybody, it's your girl Frugal Mama, and guess what? We have an unboxing. Well, there's a box in the bag, and we about to make it do what it do. So this is one of my favorite boxes, and this is the brown sugar box. Brown sugar, baby. Now we had to get that good old thumbnail. Okay. So I'm excited. I love Izzy and Liv. So if you haven't checked them out, I need to put a link in the description because this is a dope, super dope box. Sorry, let me turn that. Alright, so let's see what we got in the box. Let's see what we got in the box. Hey, the big reveal. Woo-hoo! Okay. Let's see, and what I love about it is the brochure that it comes with. It has the prices, the retail prices, and you always get some type of attire or t-shirt or something. So let's start off with that. I've been going through papers all day. I'm going in organized. Alright, so this one says sophisticated, educated, and melanated. Oh yeah, honey. Alright. That is too cute. I love that. And let's see.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes.
$30 retail value, I believe it. It is a high quality t-shirt. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is a 12-piece lipstick set, and it is by Izzy and Liv, made in China. Okay, Izzy and Liv is all about culture, confidence, and soul. And just in case you want to see the ingredients, you can pause it, replay it, send it to a friend. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Okay, how we open this? Oh, it got a little, okay, is this magnetic? What? Okay. Whoa. Whoa. That is super cool. Oh, I think this is one of my favorites. Let me check this out. Woo, woo, woo! That is a pretty color. Let me see another one. That's pretty as well, a little darker. Okay. And I am digging that, and it just sits into the box, and they stay in place. Hi, neighbor. Look at that. That is nice. Okay, and retail value, $50. I believe that. Okay, so let's see. Oh, are these earrings? Let's see. Oh, these are little buttons. These are little buttons. Okay, never mind. Those are little buttons. Okay, okay, we have a little button here. There. I'm sure I can slip these out, but here we go. That's cute. I'm not sure what exactly I'm gonna do with these buttons. But they're cute. Let's see the retail value. I don't don't think that this is in here because I think this is replacing something that they didn't have in stock, or this was supposed to be for another month. Ooh, we got some more glasses. I'm still in love with my last pair of glasses. Okay, so these are blue light. Ooh, they knock out the blue light. Take this out so y'all can really get a good look. These are cute. So when you're working at the computer,
Do you want to know what it is?
mm-hmm. Okay, and the retail value for
It is
these.
all purpose. Even now.
Okay, I gotta put some glasses on that I can read. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use those, Izzy. Let's see, $18. And you can choose, well, you could get either one of those three, which is cool. I think the buttons replaced these phone stands. But let's see. Let's keep seeing what is in the box. No, this is the phone stand right here. Whoa! Got an Izzy and Liv phone stand. Who can't use a phone stand? And the chart is this. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is the phone stand. I'm not gonna put that together right now, but this phone stand is a $10 value. Is that cute or what? Cute or what? You better not say or what, because that is cute. I wish I could do like this, and I can wear both set of glasses. Maybe I have to get these away or something. But you know what? Maybe I keep these frames in. Cause I gotta be able to see, honey. Then we have a pen set, and I love pens. Let me take this out. Queen's Prints. They since the pandemic, it's been some delays in shipment because clearly a lot of things are imported. Okay, that is nice. Let's see. I think that replaced this bag. Throw it in the bag, Bristol Totes. 1 to 5, because it is not on here. But this is a $123 value. And let's see what else is in here. Dress for Success.
It is. The Matrix is everywhere.
Okay.
It is all purpose.
Zoom Fatigue.
Even now, in this very
Nice articles in here all the time.
or when you
4 ways to handle
you can feel
people questioning your education and ability.
when you go to church.
Hmm.
You pay your taxes.
You got different world creeds. Who remember the different? It's a different world than where you come from. You got the brown sugar beauties. And like last month and every month, you have the Izzy and Liv playlist, all alpha A's. Doing the what? And then you have frequently asked questions. I am excited about the box. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, wait a minute. You had a notification bell on. Make sure you have a notification bell on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye y'all.